the left, to the right, to 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 the left.
Yo guys, welcome to this dance tutorial, guys. Welcome to this dance tutorial. Today we're doing a very short and easy dance tutorial that is trending. This one is the dance challenge that anybody can literally do. If you say you cannot dance, and you cannot dance at all, your body is stiff, this dance tutorial you can do it. Yeah, you can definitely do this one. I'm very happy, guys. So thank you all for subscribing to my channel. We just clocked 6,000 subscribers on this channel. Thank you all, guys. Shout out to you guys out there. So now we do this dance tutorial. In case you're new here, my name is Teoluckzboom. I do dance tutorial and dance challenges for you guys. And now, if you're new here, can you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment in the comment section. And let's dive right into this easy dance tutorial. The video won't be long because it's an easy dance tutorial. So the first thing this dance tutorial is let me jab to the right, to the left. Simple like this. Let me jab to the right, to the left. 1, 2. Let's go from start. 5. Remember, this is your right and this is your left. 1, 2, 3. Go. Let me jab to the right, to the left. First thing is carry your right leg to the right. Let's say your right leg to the right. It's not actually going to the right, it's going to the left. So let me jab to the right, to the left. Actually, your right leg going to the left. So it's right leg going to the left. When they say to the left, your right leg is going to your right. You get me, guys? Hope you're getting me. You literally need to be getting me. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me jab to the right, to the left. I see. Once I go to the right, my hands is crossing to this side. So it's to the right. My left hand is going to my right. So to the right, to the left. But my left hand is going to the left back. So it's to the right, to the left. Probably I'm pushing to this side so I can be more finesse. So it's let me jab to the right, to the left. Listen, to the right, to the left. It's something you guys are supposed to be getting right now. So in case I want to go to this channel, can you subscribe down below for me, guys? Subscribe down below. Like this video. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me jab to the right, to the left. So after I've gotten that step, next to do is after I've gone to the right, to the left, you jump. Now you are jumping, raising your left leg up to the side and right leg up to the other side. So let me jab to the right, to the left. You jump now. Jump again with the other leg. Physically, that's just it, guys. We're jumping side and side. So something like this. Let me jab to the right, to the left, to the 1, 2. Once I've gotten that part, the rest part are easy. Like they are literally through the dance. So let's go. Let's do together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me jab to the right, to the left. 1, 2. Check out. You don't need more. You don't need more in this dance. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Once I've gotten that step, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just jump forward, and you make sure you are doing a fist like this. Up, down, up, down. 1, 2. It's not like this now. Let me jab to the right, to the left. 1, 2. Hope you're getting me, guys. Yeah, that is the dance for this tutorial. So let's do one more time for you guys to get it. One more time. You guys usually get this dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's simply let me jab. 2 times. I'm getting kind of away now. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, guys, so if you're counting numbers, you can do like that. And that is the dance tutorial for today. In case you like this dance tutorial, can you subscribe down below? Like this video. Make sure to comment hashtag. Make sure to put on your video hashtag Teoluckzboom, so I can know that you did this video from this tutorial. And comment in the comment section which dance tutorial you want to do next. And I'm going to do this for you guys. And I'll see you. Don't watch this video while here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.